Hello everyone, you are highly welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to be solving this beautiful exponential equation. This is Math Olympiad, alright? So it's somehow tricky, but it's very simple. Now, let's see how we are going to do it. If you can do it, kindly put the solution in the comment section, alright? So other people can learn from you. So now here, I have x to the power of 100 plus x to the power of 50, then equals 2. So what's the value of x? You can easily guess your answer and you get it right. Then also, let's see how we can solve this problem without guessing, okay, in case you are asked to solve it completely. So now here, and we are going to look at how many solutions we are going to have at the end of the class. So x to the power of 100 plus x to the power of 50 then equals to, we write it as x to the power of 2 then to the power of x to the power of 50 to the power of what? 2. So you can say, if you want to go back, 50 times 2 will give us this 100, right? So plus x to the power of 50 equals what? Equals 2. So now here, x to the power of 50 is here, x to the power of 50 is here. So that means x to the power of 50 is common. So let x to the power of 50 be a variable. We have y. So therefore, anywhere you see x to the power of 50, you replace it by y. Alright, so this is going to be y squared plus y. Let's transpose these two to the side. We are going to have this. So now this is quadratic equation in terms of y. So therefore here, we are going to factorize this. Alright, so factorizing this, we're going to look at the two factors of 2. So that when you multiply them together, we are going to have these 2. But when you do addition, when you sum them, you're going to have this plus 1. Now, and we have the 1 here is hidden, all right? So now here, the factors of 2, that is 2, if you have minus 2, all right, plus 2 times minus 1, we're going to have this minus 2, plus 2 plus minus 1, we're going to have this 1. So therefore, we're going to have plus 2 and what? And minus 1. Understood? So therefore, we just factorize that. Then we now solve this to equation, because this will lead us to either y plus 2 equals 0 or y minus 1 equals 0. Understood? So from there, so we have y to be, we transpose these two to the other side, we have minus 2, or we have y equals, we transpose this to this, we're going to have 1. Now, so we don't have to stop here, all right, because some students will just stop here. The value of y we got is not the main variable we are looking for. The main variable is what? Is x, not y. So therefore, just go back to this place where we recall that y equals what? X to the power of 50. Now here, since we have x to the power of 50 here, all right, and we have what? We have minus 2 here. So when y equals minus 2, all right, so x to the power of 50 cannot be negative, so we always be greater than 0. So since we have x to the power of 52 always greater than 0, so therefore we are going to discard this y being negative value. All right, so when y equals 1, so this is positive, so therefore we can have what? X raised to the power of 50 to be what? To be 1, because that is what we have for the value of y. All right, so the next thing we're going to do here is that let's take the 50th root of both sides of the equation. 50th root. So now to get the 50th root means when you have x to the power of 50 equals 1, so you take the 50th root, but since you are taking the even root, because this 50 is even, so therefore we're going to have, we have 1 here, so we're going to have both positive and negative, value. So we're going to have this, we cancel this, we have x to be, here we're going to have minus plus 1 or what? Or minus 1. So the solution is going to be x equals 1 or minus 1. So that is what we are going to have. All right, so we have two solutions. x equals 1 and x equals minus 1. So now let's check. If you have for positive 1 raised to power 100 plus 1 raised to power 50. This 1 raised to power 100 will give us 1 plus 1 raised to power 50 will give us 1. So 1 plus 1 we're going to have 2. Understood? Then also if you pick minus 1 raised to power 100, all right, plus minus 1 raised to power 50, will this give us 2? Yes. Let's see. So when you have anything like minus 1 to the power of n, when n is even, so you are going to have positive results. But if you have what? If you have minus 1 raised to power n, where n is odd, all right, so we're going to have what? Or let me say even. Okay, you're going to have positive. If this is odd, so you're going to have a negative value. So therefore, since the power here is positive, is even, so therefore this will going to be positive 1 plus positive 1, and it gives 2. And that's the end of the class. If you enjoyed the class, please kindly share this to your friends so they can learn from it. Like, share, and comment. Follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so that you can see more of our amazing classes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.